Hey guys, it is Emily, the Relentless Dreamer. I'm just gonna take a moment to apologise for the lighting situation. I don't use lights because I am a poor uni student to be, and my window's just like there and it's just like awkward. But I couldn't wait any longer because today I'm doing an unboxing, a Webster Wigs unboxing. You've already seen one of those and everyone seemed to really enjoy it with my awesome green wig. And now I have 2 more wigs to show you, and I have not opened the package yet, and I am really excited. Like, I have the package. It's the same package as it was last time, with a really fancy, cute, polka dotted package. The suspense is killing me. Ooh! Before I make a mistake, like I did last time, the wigs do come with wig caps, so I've just been given 2 wig caps here, but yeah, that is not the most exciting part. Also, again, they've given another brochure, Webster Wigs, it says on the front, as I said last time, which just has a lot of information about pretty much all wig stuff that you need to know. Taking care of your wig, cleaning it, cutting off the lace, because both of these wigs are synthetic lace front wigs. This is the first wig. Honestly, I can't remember the name of it, but it is in darkest brown and it's really similar to the hair that I used to have before I cut it, and I really wanted a more natural looking wig. I have a problem with commitment and I'm really enjoying this short hair that I have right now. Thanks, Kiara. But I also really enjoy the long hair that I had, but obviously I can't have both at once unless I have a wig. This fancy little meshy kind of bag is actually really helpful because I just store the wig in there. I generally store all my wigs in the packaging that they originally came in, whether that be boxes or fancy little bags. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Alright guys, I am flipping excited. It is so long and it's just like my old hair. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's a reasonably straight wig with like a bit of a wave to it. Oh my gosh. Guys, my life has been changed. I literally can't get over this wig. It's weird because it's like so not out there compared to all my other, like a lot of the wigs that I do have. I'm not sure how well you can see it here, but they're a mix of like black and really dark brown, so it is so beautiful. So as I said before, it is a lace front, so here's the lace at the front here. It's about, I don't know how inches work, is that 2 or 3 inches at the front, which I will cut off. Inside, the rest of it is just machine wefted, is that the word? I don't know what the technical words are. It has a clip down at the base of the neck, it has 2 clips on the side, and of course a strap down the bottom where you can tighten the wig, which is good because I found out recently that I have a pretty small head, so that is what I need. So as I showed before in the other video, you just cut as close to the hairline as you can get. So that's the hairline there, by the way. So all of that has been beautifully stitched in. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that. It seems like a really scary task to do, but it's actually pretty straightforward, and I don't really think there's any way you can stuff up, so that's good for someone like me. I'm just gonna take the scissors and go around and chop it. As you can see, I've just cut it off there, leaving just a tiny bit of lace at the front. The wigs came with wig caps, but my personal preference is this type of wig cap, where you can just kind of slide it over like a headband and then pull it back up. That was the worst description I've ever given in my entire life. Oh, this always happens. My little piercing there always gets stuck in my wig caps. So heads up if you have piercings, be extra cautious. And then you just tuck all the little hooks and bits and bobs underneath the wig cap. Oh my gosh, why am I struggling so much? What have I even done? This is what happens when I don't use a mirror. This bit I would glue down because it's a little bit big for my head. I'm waiting for glue to come. Now I'm just gonna grab a brush. This wig, there's no other word I can use to describe it but beautiful. It is simply beautiful and it makes me feel beautiful. So I like this wig. This wig, number one, is so soft. I just can't get over it. I'm like reacting in my head, I think, because I'm exhausted because I've just come back from camping. But it's a really stunning wig. This is, I guess, the full length of this beautiful wig. It's not quite black, but it's really, really dark brown. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I feel just elegant. Would recommend, guys. Webster Wigs are definitely turning out to be one of my favorite wig companies. Every single wig I've gotten from them so far, and I haven't even looked at the second one, has been extremely good quality. Though I would recommend every company I've bought from in the past. These ones do stand out to me as being exceptional. By the way, not sponsored, I'm just obsessed with wigs. I feel like I'm glowing. That's how I feel when I wear this wig. Ready for wig number 2. And I'm really sad that I have to take this wig off because it is amazing and beautiful. Ooh! Ooh, that's a bit fancy. This is the wig in the bag without seeing it yet. Oh man, guys, I have no self-control when it comes to buying wigs. Oh, this wig, I just remembered, is not actually a laced front wig, which meant that it was a little bit cheaper. Again, this business to keep it looking beautiful. This one, it doesn't actually matter that it doesn't have a lace front because it has a fringe. This is exciting. It is, have you guys noticed I really like this length? This here is the fringe. It looks pretty long, so my guess is that I will have to cut it to fit my face, but that's totally okay with me. I'm happy to do that. Inside, you can see, it doesn't have the lace there. It's just got that, you know, regular wig stuff. Interesting. This wig actually has no clips at all. It does still have, however, this strap business here. What am I doing? I'm not even wearing a wig cap. Guys, I'm so sleep deprived. Wig caps should be made a fashion forward thing, but I don't want to start that. Oh, I also just noticed it does have almost like a little thing up here where you can see almost the fake scalp. So that's like a little touch of realism, which I like. Attention to detail. Put this on your damn head, Emily. Stop procrastinating. I can't see. Okay, well, I guess who was right about having to cut the fringe themselves. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, yes, this is a thick ass fringe. I literally can't see anything, but I mean, cool. We can work with that. I'm definitely gonna cut that. I like the color. I like it. I like it. This is really cute. Oh my gosh, guys. I've just decided how amazing this wig looks with my eyes. So, not just these, okay, that sounds really conceited. I'm wearing contacts and I'm obsessed with them. I've just cut a pretty quick fringe. Quick meaning it wasn't actually quick. It took me like a million years. But I feel like an actual anime character is great. What more could I want in life? This is the wig kind of in its entirety. Am I just gonna have to do my whole film in this side of the frame just so it doesn't focus on my painting? Stop it, please. So it's got kind of some grey, almost like ashy grey fibres, as well as the kind of the violet. It's really beautiful and it's really soft. Extremely impressed, Webster Wigs. You are absolutely destroying the game. If you have any questions about either of these wigs and my experience with them, please feel free to leave me a question in the comments below and I would be absolutely all too happy to answer those questions if I missed anything in the video, because I know I am very much a scatterbrain, and so that's has a high possibility of happening. you all have a most beautiful day or night, depending when you're watching this video. And keep smiling as much as you can, stay safe, and leave a like and subscribe because I would really love to see you on my channel again. Bye!
I'm your #1 fan. Yeah, you can. You can do it. Look at her go. She's the true spin master.
And we caught it all!
Post that on YouTube.